Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your girls and I'm back with another video. For today we are doing this lovely Luvme hair installation. This is a supernatural side part glueless minimalist lace bob wig, and it fits all faces and shapes. It is a 10-inch and it is 120 USD. It already has 455 reviews on the website, and it has 36,012 orders, so you guys can check that out on the website and you'll see that as well if you need more reviews or read more reviews as well. So this is how the hair looks, the side part, this is it, and then this is how the hair looks straight out of the box. So this is stunning hair. This is beautiful hair. I love this hair and I know it's going to suit me. It suits me because bobs look good on me. And also this is the packaging, you guys know when it comes to packaging, Luvme Hair knows what they're doing, and this is the goodies that it comes with. Let's get into the installation, you guys. So I am using my ghost bond as per usual, and I am putting it on over here, so make sure that you don't put on too much glue. So I'm going in with 2 layers today, and that's what I am doing over here. So yeah, so make sure that before you put on the wig, it is clear and it has dried off, well, not completely, just until it is tacky. So there we go, and then I'm putting on the wig. But I realized over here that the wig was a bit big, so that's why I had to cut on the sides over here. So that is what I am trying to achieve over here, so that it fits my head perfectly. And as you guys can see, you can wear this as a glueless wig, because can you see that it looks as if there is glue and there's no glue. So yeah, I'm going in with some glue over here because I want it to stay on my head for like a week or something like that. So that's why I'm going in with glue. At this stage, please wait for the glue to dry off clear, and then you can put on the wig. So I'm going to dry it off and I'm going to wait for it to be clear before putting on the wig. So yeah, that's what I'm doing over here. So there we are. It is clear now, as you guys can see. And then I'm putting it on and I'm sticking it on using my fingers. You can also use a comb for that step as well. Now that we've finished sticking on the wig, I'm going in with my got to be spray. So this spray, I use it for when my wig or maybe when I'm not seeing parts that are lifting. This is the spray that I use just to finish and give it that perfect finish as well. So that's what I'm doing over here, and then I'm putting in my band so that my wig is well melted as well. I leave it on for like 15 minutes or so. In the meantime, while I'm waiting for my wig to melt down, I'm going in with my wax stick, and I'm also going in with my hot comb just to make sure that the hair is nice and flat, perfectly flat, because when it comes to bob, I want it to look sleek, I want it to look luxurious, I want it to give a bougie. Okay, so that's what I am doing over here. It must be sleek and it must look proper, even though I know that it looks good at the moment, but I want it to look like it is stunning and beautiful, like that luxurious look. So that's what I'm going for over here. And I'm also gonna go in with my iron just to give it also that perfect finish. When it comes to bobs, you guys, I think I love them when they are well like melted onto your scalp and also well ironed. I think it gives off like bougie, expensive, and that type of thing. So that's what I'm going for over here. So if I'm ironing a bit too much for you, girl, that's what I'm going for. I'm going for bougie. Okay, so yeah, this is it.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So go now, don't like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give it all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
So this is it for this wig, you guys. This is a stunning and beautiful wig. It also looks super expensive, because tell me it does not, because wow, it is giving that. It's giving exactly that. So yes, that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you'd like to purchase this wig, please make sure that you look at my description box. I'll have every single little detail over there, and I'm sure I'll also have a discount for you as well, so please make sure to check that out. So thank you so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe. Also, please don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified of future uploads. Until next time, it is peace from me. Bye. I will see you in my next upload. Bye.